Welcome to Business Training Media. In today's video, we delve into a transformative opportunity for those aspiring to excel in the field of data science, the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. In an era where data drives decision-making across industries, the demand for skilled data scientists has surged dramatically. Employment in data science is projected to grow much faster than the average for all occupations, reflecting the critical need for professionals who can interpret and manage complex data. The IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, available through Coursera, is meticulously designed to equip you with the essential skills required in this dynamic field. This comprehensive program encompasses 9 courses, guiding you from the foundational concepts of data science to the application of machine learning algorithms. You'll gain proficiency in open-source tools like Jupyter Notebooks, master programming languages such as Python, and harness the power of libraries including Pandas and NumPy for data analysis. Moreover, the curriculum delves into data visualization techniques using Matplotlib and Seaborn, and empowers you to construct and evaluate machine learning models with scikit-learn and SciPy. One of the standout features of this certificate is its hands-on approach. You'll engage with real-world data sets in the IBM cloud, building a robust portfolio of projects that showcase your ability to tackle practical data challenges. This experiential learning ensures you're not just absorbing theory but also applying your knowledge in meaningful ways. Earning this IBM certification offers significant advantages. It serves as a testament to your expertise, enhancing your resume and making you a compelling candidate in the competitive job market. Employers recognize the value of an IBM credential, understanding it signifies a rigorous and industry-aligned education. Additionally, the program structure allows you to learn at your own pace, fitting seamlessly into your schedule, and can be completed in less than 6 months. Financially, a career in data science is rewarding. In Los Angeles, for instance, data scientists earn an average salary of $136,577, with additional cash compensation averaging $14,900, bringing the total to approximately $151,477 annually. This lucrative earning potential underscores the value of investing in your data science education. If you're ready to advance your career, we've included a link in the description where you can learn more about IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate and enroll today. You'll also find links to free resources to help you embark on your AI journey. Thank you for joining us at Business Training Media. Stay tuned for more insights into career development and educational opportunities.